Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope that you are well. So today I'm sharing with you some Goodwill transformation inspiration, and I'm starting off with these two gorgeous pearl and diamond eggs. I've got some Easter eggs that I purchased from Dollar Tree and they're just plastic. I got this rhinestone chain from Amazon. I will link it down below. I've got my strong adhesive and some pearls. I'm going to be using my wax pen to pick up the pearls. I'm starting off with some pearls at the top in a flower shape, and I'll be going around those with the rhinestone chain. I'm going to do 2 layers of the rhinestone chain in between each row of pearls, and you can use any size pearls that you want. I purchased mine from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to continue in the pattern of 1 row of pearls and 2 rows of the diamond chain. So I'm going to continue in that pattern until I've completely covered my eggs. So here I use some white eggs just to make that pearl as well as the diamond chain pop a little bit more. And I absolutely love the way these decorative eggs turned out. I just added them to some apothecary jars with some crystals at the bottom. Let me know down below what are your thoughts on how these gorgeous eggs turned out. Next, I have these very large blue vases that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. They were $3.99 each. I've gone ahead and painted these in a white color. We're going to be using this gold chain, which I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and it's very easy to use as long as you have some needle nose pliers. And so I'll be wrapping a piece of this chain around the neck of these vases to keep it very simple but elegant. Let me know down below what are your thoughts on how this very simple vase turned out. I think it's beautiful and perfect for spring. Next, I have this white and gold bowl that I found at my local Goodwill. I paid $2.99 for it. I have some pink and white florals from Dollar Tree. This is the peonies and the white hydrangeas. And all I'm going to be doing is adding those to this bowl. I'm also going to be adding some fairy lights just to make the flowers pop a little bit. And I absolutely love how springy and fresh this looks. Super simple and inexpensive. So that is all for today. I want to thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate your time. I hope that you're continuing to stay safe, and I will talk to you in the next one.